This screencast video will review how to search for, check out, and return books in Sora. If you don't know how to log into Sora, please watch the log into Sora video first. Remember, to get to Sora, we just go up to Edmund's bookmarks, down to Sora. So I'm logged in, and this is what your home screen will look like, something similar to this. On the home screen, I can see what books I already have on loan. I have Nowhere Boy. It's an audiobook. You can tell because it has the headphones icon. But I want to start searching for books. So I'm going to come down here to Explore. Click on that. The first way I'm going to show you is if you know the exact book you're looking for, you can come up here, click on Search for a book, and type in the exact title of the book you're looking for. I'm going to look for Tumble in Blue. Spelling is important, so if you misspell something, it won't know what you're looking for. So make sure the spelling's right. You type in the title of the book and you hit enter. This shows that we have two books, Tumble in Blue, an ebook and an audiobook. We know it's an audiobook because it has that headphone icon. I can see they're both available to borrow because they have the words borrow in blue. I can also read a sample or listen to a sample. I recommend doing that if you're not sure if you want to check the book out yet or not. Listen to it or read a little bit of it. If you check out too many books in a week and return them in Sora, Sora's going to lock you out. So make sure you really want to borrow it before you do. If you're ready to borrow a book, you just click on the word borrow and it'll start downloading the book. When you're ready to start reading it, you can click somewhere in the middle and you just flip through the book as if it were a normal book and you can start reading it. When you're ready to stop reading the book, take a break, you're going to click on the upper part of the screen here. You can explore these menus later. I'm just going to show you how to close the book right there. If I want to return the book when I'm done with it, I would come down here to where it says shelf and click on shelf. This shows the books I have on loan right now, and here's Tumble in Blue. If I want to return it, I can either click on the cover of the word options. I'm going to click on options, and then it gives me the option right here to return the book. So I'm going to click there and click return. Okay, I want to keep searching for books, so I'm going to explore, click down here on the explore button, and back up here at the top to get to the home explore page. A second way to look for books is certain groups have already been grouped together. So here's a shelf of books about Harry Potter. I can look at all 32 of them, and you can see which ones are available to borrow. Some of them are audiobooks. There's my headphone icon. So there's shelves of books like this that are already put together. I'm going to click back on the explore button. So the Harry Potter books, and then if I scroll down past the popular subjects, there's this shelf that's ready and waiting, always available. These are books that will never have to be put on hold. They're always available to read. So there's multiple copies of these. There's over 120 books. I'm going to click on that. Got nonfiction, picture books, fiction, graphic novels, all different kinds of books in this section. And so you would just do the same thing I just showed you. If you want to borrow it, click on borrow and do what I did before. Okay, I'm going to go back to explore. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to put a book on hold after exploring the popular subjects. So these are another way to browse through books based on subject. I can see comic and graphic books, fantasy, science fiction. The number to the left of the words are how many books there are under each category and each subject. I could click down here and explore all the subjects, and there's quite a few. The one I'm going to show you is humor fiction. So I'm going to click on that. You can see lots of different books. These are all available to borrow. So in the second row, we see our first books that we have to place on hold. You can see here, it's got a little clock. If you click on the clock, it'll give you an estimate about how long you have to week. So these, how long you have to wait. These are 2-week wait. There's some down here a little farther. It's got more dots by it. The wait is quite a bit longer. This is over 6 months. So if I want to put a book on hold, I just click where it says place hold, and then it automatically just puts it on hold for me. So I'm on the wait list. If I decide I don't want that book on hold, I can come to my shelf and then go to the holds tab. There's Garfield. I can either click on the options button or the cover. This time I'll click on the cover and then cancel the hold. When a book's on hold, when it becomes available, it will let you know when you log into Sora when it's available. Okay, so I've shown you a few different ways to search for books, how to check out books, return books, and place them on hold. I hope this has been helpful. Find a good book to read. Thank you.